Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I did my makeup without looking. So I did my makeup by feeling. I'm gonna show you guys how I started out and the view from behind me as well as in front of me. So you guys know I'm not cheating. I did not look at a mirror at all while I was doing this. And I'm actually pretty proud. It turned out pretty well. So this isn't exactly what it looked like when I was done. So stay tuned to find out what it did look like. So I'm using the NARS Radiance Primer, not that the products really matter for this one. Oh my god, I'm totally cheating. I can see myself on here still. So first I'm going to use the Lancome Re-Energy. I'm going to just put it on my face with my hand first. This one's a pretty good match for my skin, so probably won't be able to see where I didn't blend it very well, which is kind of a plus for me. Apparently I need a new one. Looks full, but it's empty. Alright. So I'm going to mix it with a little bit of the Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. And then I'm going to blend it all out, and I will have no idea what color it will be. Or if it's blended out. I don't even really know how much foundation I have on because it was empty, so I couldn't put the amount I wanted in each area, you know, when it doesn't come out evenly from the bottle. I was gonna do about 3 pumps. I'm not really sure what I got on there. I'm using a camera in front and behind me so you guys can see what I'm seeing. And I also brought this, which in the front is gonna be a picture of New Orleans, and the back is a blank surface. So if I put it in front of my face, which kind of blocks me from the front camera, I can at least see where on my face I'm blending, kind of. Using shadows. I feel like the shadow does actually help a little bit. I'm blending like extra a lot because I don't know if I've gotten everywhere on my face or not. This is so funny. I never thought it would be so hard. I thought I could do makeup with my eyes closed, and I think we're about to find out that I cannot. Alright. Hopefully that's blended out. So I don't know if anyone else has ever done this challenge before. I just thought of it the other day when, actually like 2 months ago. I wish I would have done it sooner, but I was like too chicken. So anyway, I thought of it when I was in my garage because there's like super good shadows in my garage. And I was like, oh, I could do it to a shadow. But like my garage is super cold and I thought I need some lighting on my face so that the video looks okay in the front. So I'm doing it in my living room where I normally film. I kind of put it in the areas I like to highlight, and then I know I have like some blemish marks here. They're like scars, they're pretty much gone, but they just stay dark. So annoying. Okay, so I know that's around here. And that should be about the right spots. So I'm gonna take, and I usually kind of dab my foundation brush. I think the camera behind me just ran out of memory or something. So what I'm gonna have to do is just not use the shadows and not use the camera behind me. I really wonder what this is looking like. Because I kind of know the feeling, right? Alright, so I think this might be blended out decently. I'm like over blending because I'm worried. I'm gonna use the MAC Light Medium Studio Fix Sculpted Shape Contour Palette. So I'm using this one because these bronze colors are not super dark. Oh, and there's a mirror on there, so I'm gonna put that down and away from me. So I can kind of feel where my cheekbone is. I don't know how dark that is, but I can imagine. I spend a lot of time blending out my bronzer normally, so I don't really know. I don't really know what's going on right now. I really wonder what this is gonna turn out like. It's like a very strange sensation doing your makeup without a mirror. I feel. I recommend it. It's therapeutic. Okay, and normally I go a little darker with my contour, and even though I probably shouldn't today because it's dangerous, I'm going to. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Tawny. I usually go up more like closer to my ear with the darker colors. So I hope that's where I did that. And this one's a harder one to blend out, and I don't know how much like product I have on the brush, so I'm just hoping for the best. Alright, I'm gonna do my highlight first just to finish off my face first. And I'm going to use the Pure Dreamer Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette. If you've ever used the highlight on this, it is freaking bright. So if I do this in the wrong place, you guys will really see. I feel like I'm pretty used to where it goes, so I feel like this is actually turning out okay so far. But then I know when I get to like my brows, I'm nervous. So brows, I'm gonna do my brow gel first because that way I can kind of feel where the hairs are more. I feel like I went right to my brow. Oh, speech. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. That was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I have no idea. What that looks like. It feels really funny though. So I'm just gonna brush through the color, which I normally do, and that kind of takes away the harsh line. I usually kind of redo the line and like darken the brows a little bit with a pencil, but I think I'm probably gonna skip that today considering. But I am gonna do the Gimme Brow. This one is tricky because it can really clump up if there's a lot of product on the brush. So I'm gonna make sure I take off the product first. And then try it. I don't even want to know what that looks like. I mean, I feel like I hit my brows, but I definitely feel like they're not like perfect and crisp like usual. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape. Let's see. I usually do go below my brows, so I'll try. This is hard. I wonder if there are YouTubers that are like blind makeup artists. That'd be very interesting. I wonder if there are blind makeup artists at all. If there were, I would like to watch them or meet them. Super interesting. I'm feeling my way. I don't know how I'm doing, but I'm gonna guess that for me, my makeup's gonna be really messy, but in comparison to a lot of people, it might not be that bad because I do it every day. So I better know a little bit where it goes without looking. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I am going to start with the color Tempera, which is like kind of a white. So there's a mirror in that one too. I'm not cheating though. Let me put this all over my eye. I still have not once looked in a mirror, so I have no idea how it's going. This is so funny. Now I'm going to go to Golden Ochre. It's kind of a yellowy color, which which I've never used before, so I don't know how it's gonna look. Watch my makeup be like better than usual. Now I'm going to move to this brush, which is still pretty fluffy. It's the Morphe 505, and I'm going to use the burnt orange in this same palette. Now I'm going to use Primavera, which has become a favorite of mine. So I'm going to use that on my finger. Now I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use Vermeer in here as a highlight. It's not that much brighter, it's just got more of like a pink tone to it, but I just hit the wrong spot, I can feel it. I can fix it though, right? Maybe. We'll see if it's fixed. I'm going to use the raw sienna, which is just a step different from the burnt orange. I'm sure that my products are out of focus in this video, so I apologize for that, but hopefully this is entertaining. It's entertaining for me anyways. I feel like those went down a little bit far. Using the MAC Original Prep and Prime. Hopefully I don't need setting powder because I skipped out on that. I've never done my makeup without a mirror before. Maybe like a lips gloss, probably, not even a lipstick. Oh, I poked myself in the eye. Okay, I'm gonna put lash glue on these lashes. I just wonder if I would like create even better things without looking. That'd be cool. That'd be really cool. What if I blend more evenly by the feel than the look? That would be a trip, huh? Or it might look really bad, I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna use a Kylie lip pencil in Coconut. I just wanna prove to you guys that I don't have a mirror anywhere, so I'm getting my camera out right now. So you guys are seeing me record this on camera and on my phone. That's my only mirror facing the other way. I'm gonna look at it when we're done here. So I keep looking kind of out the window, but new mirror. Okay. I felt too far. Okay, put a little bit of lipstick on. Oh. I just realized it's only 12:28. I started filming at 12, I think. So did I just do a full face faster without looking than I do with looking? I think I did. What? Did I skip any steps? I have lipstick, lip liner. I set my face, bronzer, highlight. I did my eyes. Highlighted my eyes. What the fuck? Okay. God, this is hard. This is the hardest part. Oh, wait. Got a lash tool. That could help. The lashes might have just ruined my life. I don't know. was definitely way too high. That felt horrible wrong. Okay. Oh, that does not feel right. It feels like it's so on the wrong spot. Like there's glue up here. Okay, y'all. Okay. So I'm just gonna have to stop here because I don't know how to fix this. And I feel like it's not great. But yeah, that is a full face. So you guys ready for the reveal? I'm not. Oh my god. Alright, first of all, my face is like orange. Second of all, there's glue on my forehead. Okay. Third of all, I've seen girls do worse makeup when they're looking. Okay, so I'm gonna fix these little things. But honestly, besides the glue and kind of the shade of my skin not being blended out well enough, it's really not that bad. The lashes need to be re-glued. Without the glue, like, I was doing pretty good, actually. Really, damn, like, my contour is more evenly blended out now than it normally is. And my brows are not, like, as perfect and straight as I like them to be, but they look pretty natural, which is not necessarily a bad thing. My highlight looks so good. Like, everywhere it is, it looks super good. Oh my gosh, I'm impressed. I am a professional. Okay, so this is actually a legitimate look. So mixing Lancome Re-Energy Lift with the Jouer Cosmetics is like freaking gorgeous, actually. Okay, so now that I've fixed my lashes, I'm gonna wear this makeup today. I'm gonna rock this makeup and I'm gonna tell everybody that I did this basically with my eyes closed. So, let me see, I'm gonna zoom you guys out. Turn the lighting up for you guys. So that is the full look. I should have zoomed you guys in when the glue was all over my face. I hope you liked it. It was definitely entertaining for me. It was really cool. I thought that I was gonna do like a way worse job than I did, so I'm pretty proud actually. Thanks for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Don't let me catch you not liking and subscribing this video. I don't feel like I can. I already broke the light bulb for my box light today. Welcome! My neighbors are hella sketchy. Subscribe! Oh, I almost just cheated, you guys. Already cheating. Whoops. Oh, let me get you. Let me see. Just kidding. Now that I can see it in the middle. I can't look at that. Cheater. Okay. So far so good. I squirted that all over myself. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. I love you. Bye.